So a Range Rover Sport is undoubtedly a good looking car. You can have your opinions on what colours you like and what you prefer, but for me what can't be argued is they are one good looking car. D300 Dynamic SE in Fuji White, and it's got some good options on it. Extended black pack, sliding pan roof, and the upgraded 23s. So as an all-rounder, it's been spec'd very, very well from the factory. The extended black pack truthfully works well with any colour, but Fuji White works good in my opinion because of the contrast. Black badges, grille surrounds, you've obviously got the swooping LEDs as well. Huge 23 option multi-spoke gloss black wheels. We have a lot of customers who request these, irrelevant of what car or what model it's on. They go, have you got any with 23s? This one has them, which again is a bonus. Black pack gives you mirrors, full black roof, sliding pan roof. The reason I say that is if you don't know about Range Rovers, some of them come with a fixed panoramic roof. This one has the sliding roof. Plenty of space in the back, and a Range Rover feels very luxurious no matter where you sit, driver's seat or in the passenger seat or even in the back. The two outer seats are heated, which for me is a good point. So instead of people fighting over who's in the front, the rear seats have plenty of space. They even have electronic reclining, which the camera have just seen. Meridian they've also picked up on as well, so that's one of the sound systems you get on the SE. Come to the back, lovely, great display, and like just the way it sits with the LEDs, and again that beam that comes across the back is in gloss black. Good boot space, a huge boot space in fact, from what is the sporty car in the Land Rover lineup, so plenty of space in there. You can even move the middle seat, from the back. 300 brake horsepower, 3 litre diesel. This is a 23 plate, it's done around 23,000 miles, but it's had a huge saving from new. These cars have come to a price point now where you can look at it from a negative point of view and say they've dropped in value, or you can look at it from a positive point of view and go, I can get a Range Rover Sport for just over £70,000, which a conversation 12 months ago would not have been had. Some more features that this one's got is the premium cabin lighting, ambient lighting pack, whatever you want to refer to it as. And again, that is all controlled from this huge tablet display. The roof, as I've mentioned once already, sliding panoramic sunroof. For me, it makes a huge difference because it's nice to have the glass, but it's a big bonus to get it open, get some air in. It does make a big difference. Steering wheel, again, when you get sat in one of these, you understand what they're all about. It just feels like ultimate luxury. Heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist. So plenty of driving equipment to help you with that. The cabin lighting I might as well show you because not all of them have it. But straightforward, a couple of buttons, it'll give you loads of presets, and then you can just choose whichever one you want. Red, ocean blue, ultraviolet, quite a cool colour. Pop it in reverse. Rear view, aerial view, you've even got 3D view as well, so it physically shows you what's around you in the car, so it makes it very straightforward and easy to drive. Luxury smooth leather, very fine Napa leather. You've got heated seats as well, which are all controlled from the two buttons just down here. Armrest, you've got plenty of space under there as well. Different drive modes, not forgetting, it is a Range Rover, it can go off-road if you wanted it to. I personally wouldn't think it's far too good looking for that. But great looking car, good options and specs. For me, there's nothing really missing from a Dynamic SE when you've got those three, black pack, 23s and pan roof. But again, we come back to price. I can't say it's cheap because £70,000 is a lot of money, but it is a good value for what this car is. So if you are interested, it is for sale, it's available. My name's Paddy, the number's below. Feel free to give me a call.